Burco is the aftermarket leader in providing quality products and solutions for broken side view mirrors. The following video equips you with easy-to-use instructions for installing your Burco replacement mirror. Burco's Redi-Set-Go mirror replacements are an ideal choice if your backing plate is broken or missing. Redi-Set-Go mirror replacements eliminate the need to remove broken glass, making for a quick and easy install. Reference the install code on your Redi-Set-Go box. Replacing a damaged side view mirror can be performed in 6 easy steps using Burco Redi-Set-Go replacement mirrors. Redi-Set-Go mirror replacements are complete with a pre-applied motor mount. The backing plate shown in this installation may not be an exact match to yours. However, the installation techniques are the same. You will need these tools to install your Burco mirror replacement. Please follow industry-accepted recommendations for personal safety. Place a towel on the edge of the mirror head to protect the vehicle. Manually pivot the mirror by applying pressure to the lower and side portions of the mirror. Insert the screwdriver or putty knife behind the backing plate and carefully pry off all pivots from their sockets, using care not to damage the pins. Twist each actuator pin counterclockwise to remove from the motor head. If the original mirror is a heated mirror, disconnect wires from your mirror's heating element. If applicable, auto-dimming wires may have to be disconnected or clipped and capped. Burco mirror replacements do not auto-dim. If applicable, reconnect heating wires to the mirror's terminal leads. Test functionalities before proceeding to the next step. Snap each actuator pivot pin into its corresponding socket. It requires a good amount of pressure to snap these in. Place the Redi-Set-Go assembly into the mirror head while setting each pin into its original location. Snap the main ball pivot into the main socket by applying gentle, even pressure to the center of the Redi-Set-Go mirror. To test mobility, tilt mirror side to side and up and down. Clean the installed Redi-Set-Go mirror replacement with glass cleaner. For additional information, visit burcoinc.com.